Hey guys, what is going on? Welcome back to the channel. So today's video, we got a pretty awesome Hot Wheels RLC car. If you don't know what that is, it's a red line club, and it's like an exclusive club where they have some really cool cars that come out. They are a little bit pricier, but they are like way more detailed on a totally different level. They're not just like a regular Hot Wheel, but this one today is a very highly anticipated and a very awesome car. And today we have the 1995 Honda Integra Type R. So a lot of people would think that it'd be the Acura Integra, but in Japan it's actually Honda, and that is what this one is. This is such an iconic car, and it is in a beautiful white with red interior, and that was kind of like the most sought after spec like in the world. I know a lot of people love this car in real life, and like a lot of people are even trying to collect these in real life. So when Hot Wheels released that they were going to be making one of these, everybody got super excited, and I was fortunate enough to be able to get one of these, and I think it looks absolutely incredible. Before I do get started with kind of pulling this out of the protector, I'm not going to be opening it fully, but I will be taking out the protector so we can see it up close a little bit better and kind of check out the engine. But I actually do have a couple extras of these. They will be on my website. There's going to be a link in the description down below. My merch store has a lot of other Hot Wheels as well. So not only do I have Hot Wheel RLCs on there, I also have a bunch of mainline cars, including cars from the most recent Q case. And then every time cases come out, I do case unboxing videos. I take a lot of the duplicates or some of the extra cars. I do put them on there, so definitely go check that out. I do also have premiums with some Fast and the Furious cars and monster trucks. So definitely go check it out. Link in the description down below. And if you guys want to pick up one of these, if you guys missed out on it, there will be one. I think I have a couple of these that will be on my merch store. So definitely go check that out. But let's go ahead and move forward with pulling this out of the plastic protector. I want to be very careful with this, as this is a very sought after Hot Wheel RLC, and I think this looks absolutely amazing. Wow, and there it is. That's the Integra Type R, and you can see like the engine is displayed right there, the hood's up, which I really like when they display cars with like the engine open. Sometimes they make them where like they still function, but then they display it with like the hood closed and you can't even actually see the engine. So this one they did a really good job with showcasing that. And even like the detail on the engine looks really good as well. I don't know if it's really shown up on camera as well, but in person that looks really, really nice. And then we got the red interior there. You can kind of see it there through the window, which also looks absolutely amazing. It looks like red bucket seats, which is pretty cool. And then the Hot Wheel RLCs have Real Rider tires, which are real rubber tires. And you can see there on the bottom that the actual exhaust is colored differently, so you can actually see that going all the way out to the back, which I think that looks pretty cool whenever they do little details like that as well. And then it does have the 1995 Honda Integra Type R with the Hot Wheel logo. And man, that's so cool. Even like the back, I don't know if it really shows up on camera, but the license plate says 95 Type R. So that's pretty cool. And then it even has like the little decals, like the little Honda logo on the back. And right there on the side in front of the back wheel has a little Type R. The wheels look really good finished in white, which I absolutely love. But this is the back of the package if you guys were interested in that. It does not have a sticker up in the top telling you kind of like what number of production it is. Because a lot of times in the past, they had like a little sticker that said like whatever number out of like 20,000 or something like that. So this one is kind of interesting that they do not have that. But there is that little window there in the back, so you can still check out this side of the car, which looks pretty good there. Man, Hot Wheels actually did a very good job with this. I think it looks absolutely incredible, but definitely put down in the comments down below what you guys think of this car, because I think that is spot on and it just looks super accurate. Let me kind of move my hand so you can see the front end of that a lot better. There we go. Yeah, let me know, like, did you guys Were you guys able to pick up one of these when it came out? And if so, like, are you guys opening it up or are you just leaving it in the package? Because for me, I always display Hot Wheel RLCs in the package. I usually keep them in the protector, so the only time I ever have it out of the protector is when I'm making a video like this, and I could be able to show it up a lot closer like this. But once this goes back in the package, it'll never go in the protector. It will not come back out, because I definitely want to make sure I keep the package nice and protected, keep the card in great shape. But man, I love this. But like I said, let me know down in the comments down below what you guys think of this car, and if you guys think Hot Wheels did a great job with that. But if you guys did like this video, definitely go down and hit that like button down below. I do have a bunch of other videos like this and also a lot of case unboxing videos, so definitely hit that subscribe button, because you do not want to miss out on those, because I do unboxing videos all the time, especially when new cases of mainlines come out. So definitely subscribe so you don't miss out on all those when they do go live. But also, I do YouTube shorts every single day with Hot Wheel races on my 6-lane raceway. So definitely you do not want to miss out on those either. Link in description down below for my merch store. You guys can pick up some Hot Wheel RLCs. You can pick up one of these if you did miss out, because I will have a couple available on there. But if you guys like the video, hit the like button, subscribe if you haven't already. But as always, thank you for watching.